Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to edit a point within MicroSurvey's FieldGenius for Android. So what I'm going to do to begin here is I've just opened up a project with a couple sample points in it, and I'm going to head to my top option here, Project Data, and this is going to bring up all my observations, points, line work, descriptions, anything like that is in this menu here. And what I'm going to select is I'm going to select the points option here, the second on the left, and it's going to bring up all the points that I have in this job. In this case, it's only one point. It's almost like I wanted to show you how to edit a single point in this video. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the three dots to the right of that point there. And you're going to see a little drop down here. And from the drop down, I'm going to select Edit. And that's going to bring up all my point detail here. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to change the name from point 1 to Control 1. And a little thing to note here, as you can see in the video, if you try to use a space in the point name, it doesn't particularly like that. So make sure you use it as one series of characters. So I'm going to go Control_1 here. And I'm also going to add a new description for my point here. So I'm going to give it the description of control. And you can see if I type in control here, it doesn't appear. So I'm just going to add it to my description here. And oh, I didn't select it here. So let me just quickly go back in and select it. Let me just search it here. And there we go. So I'm going to make sure control is selected. You can see my feature/code is now control. And I can also change my northing and easting. Let's say I mistyped this. It was supposed to be 101 meters to the north instead of 100 meters. So I'm going to change my northing to 101 meters. And then my annotation here, I'm going to put taken at my desk, and I'm going to add edited on 01/27, which was when I filmed this video. Obviously not when you are seeing it. And once that is all done here, I can also add media to this file. So if I hit the take photo or browse, I can either take a photo with a camera on my data collector or browse for media within my device here. Unfortunately, this is just an emulator on my computer, so I can do neither of those things. But I'm just going to hit save here in the bottom right corner, and now my point has been edited. It's gone from point 1 to this Control_1 point. And that is everything for today's video. And if you have a moment, I would please ask you to hit that subscribe button down below. It really does help us out and helps me keep making these videos for you guys. And if you have any questions about anything you've seen in today's video or any questions about anything you've seen on this YouTube channel, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us on the web at bench-mark.ca.